This is Forex trading, and this is rise and fall trading. What is rise and fall trading? Rise and fall is whereby we are trading ticks. It might not make sense to you now, but let me explain so that you understand better. In Forex, when we trade using the platform MetaTrader 5, we are trading a structure. We are trading against structure. Now, the structure must be in line with the time frame. When you go to chart, it must be in line with the time frame. What time frame we will be using for trading? It must be confirmed, and we must develop the patience and discipline. But when it comes to rise and fall, we are trading ticks. We are trading against time. Now, let me explain some of the things about trading rise and fall so that you can understand better and where do we get this rise and fall. If you have managed to open your Forex trading account, you've visited our YouTube channel, and you've managed to open your trading account, you've watched this tutorial how to open a Forex trading account. Here is the tutorial here. If you've managed to watch this tutorial how to open a Forex trading account, now you have a trading account with Deriv. You will see, some of you will see this user interface, this display of website, and this is, some of you will see this, and some of you will see this website, right, where you have the option to press this three-dot icon there and go to Traders Hub, right? So do not panic if you see your chart or your website display is like this. Do not panic. This is only because of where you are living currently or your country of residence, just to put it simple. Now, when we are actually talking about the rise and fall, if we press here on Deriv options, we are not going to CFTs, we are going to options and Deriv trader. This is where we'll get the rise and fall. If we click open here, it will actually take us to this page. Then we'll have to actually move like this and then select rise and fall, right? I trust you understand. Now we're trading against time. That's the most important thing here that you have to understand about trading rise and fall. When you look here, we have what we call, when you tap the duration, we have the tick, we have seconds, we have minutes, we have hours. If your website or the website like you registered your account is like this, what you will do, you will go to option trading. All right, you will go to option trading, or you can click here on option trading, which is, you would just click here option trading, and then it will take you here, and then you click trade. All right, but before you click trade, you can select, all right, you can select here. All right, you can select, but then we'll just click trade for now so that we can actually go to that display that we actually saw that other side of that way other website. So now let's just click here, and it will take us to that page. So far, let's actually click. Our network connection is kind of low for some reasons. Let's actually refresh the page. Let's refresh the page so that you can be able to see and learn more about this rise and fall. Just click there on trade. It will take us here, and some of you can install that if you like to install. It's no issue with that. And the next time you try to log in, you'll be able to log in without any difficulties. So this will actually show up, and you can just click begin to get some tutorials to learn more about how you can use this. So we'll just click let's begin, and it will show you this. So for me, because we know what we are looking for here, we'll just click cancel here. All right, we click cancel there, and then we go to the right and we click rise and fall. There we go, we have rise and fall there. Below we have volatility 101s. We can tap there and we can change to volatility 75, which is the asset that I like to trade. And here we have durations. You can choose 5 ticks, and you have stake, how much money you want to risk. All right, now we have five ticks here. So the 5 ticks simply means that if you can just look at our PC here, it's the same thing. So the 5 ticks is this: if it counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you are in profit. If you said it's gonna rise, if you said it's gonna fall, it must count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fall. And if it falls like that, you actually what you make profit. It's that simple and easy. But then you have to set the stake, right? If you're using the PC Vision, this is what you will see. It's that simple and easy. You have to select it, and then you have to select duration. You can choose the end time, and then you put the stake. You add the amount there. You say it's rising or it's falling. So this is what we see on our mobile phone. Stake, it's here, and then now we actually what we scroll all the way down, and we can click fall or we can click rise. Now you need a strategy here, right? The strategy that you have, it's against time. So how can you actually make this possible? You have some options here. For me, I used to trade one tick, right? Which means it will just I'll just select one tick like that, and if it rise, I make profit. If it falls, I take a loss. But then I don't actually risk more than uh, 3 times. Like if I lose 3 times, I'm out of actually trading this rise and fall. So now we are practicing on a demo account. You can see the demo account over there. So it's important to start with a demo account. You can actually tap here and change it to a real account, all right, which is the wallet account that you have over there. And it's the same thing that we go to this website. It's the same website actually. It's just that you will see a different. If you tap here, you'll be able to see we can actually go to real account and you can go to demo so that we can be able to practice the rise and fall. It's that simple. One tick. You can set up how much money you want to risk, and the payout is here. You can see if it rises, you profit. You will get a $19.53. So I can say it's going to rise. If it's rising, if it rises, we make profit with that one tick. If it falls like that, we take a loss. That's simple. So we are actually against time here. So it might be challenging if you are new, but then if I say rise, I've actually trading the rise, and you can decide if it's actually something that is necessary for you to trade. But then this is just to demonstrate how it's actually how we trade the rise and fall by just using one tick. I know some of you will be looking to actually trade the rise and fall. So the profit is $9. You get your money back and you get profit. So the risk to reward ratio here is 1 to 1. All right. So I've actually tried the rise and fall many times, multiple times. So it's up to you how you like to set up the ticks, but you need a strategy so that you can be able to make profit. But then this might not actually work for everybody. So keep in mind that if you prefer to go with the rise and fall, start with a demo account, practice on a demo account so that you can actually look at if you're going to be profitable with this or it's worth trading it. You still have so many robots that we can use to actually what to trade the rise and fall. Trust you understand. So some of you will like to add the ticks, some of you will not like to add the ticks, but this is what rise and fall is. So I can just say rise, 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 rise. All right. But then it's important also to look at the market structure of volatility 75 to understand if it's going to rise or what. But then so far, let's keep the ticks at 2. It's better to keep the ticks at 2. We've made profit 2 times there. Rise, rise, rise. Okay, rise again. All right, rise again. Yes, if it keeps rising, we'll keep making profit just like that. We keep making profit just like that. So it's important to always make sure that if you are trading the rise and fall, you check demo account first, right? To decide whether it's going to be worth it for you. You're going to be comfortable with risking the 1:1. So I trust you understand. So this is what you will see. You will make profit as long as you actually stick to your risk. You don't lose more, right? You can see there we have not actually lost that much. And if you can go to here, some of you will see this kind of display. So we choose 2 ticks just like that. You click save, and then you click rise, 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 rise. And if it rises and goes up, we make profit. If it doesn't rise, we don't make profit. So let's actually reload this page because it's actually kind of not working. I don't know, but maybe it's the network or something. So let's actually click the rise. The social stake is 2. The duration is 2. Stake is 10. Rise, 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 rise. and if it rises after the 2, we make profit. If it doesn't rise, we take a loss. So some of you can go rise and fall or rise. Just practice on demo before you go to a real account. All right, just practice on demo before you go to a real account. Rise, 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 just like that. And this is what we're actually getting. So you might actually make profit from this, but keep in mind that you must actually be aware that you are trading against time, and you have options to change the duration. If you know that the market is going to move, or the chart or graph is going to move up, you can even set end time that it's going to rise, like maybe let's say January 31st, 31, and then you just say click save, and you click save here, and you say rise. All right, so now it will actually move, and if it moves until 31 2026, you can actually what you can actually take the profit, just like that, and just rise, and that's it. So you can actually even check your positions that are open here. These are the positions that are opened. Trust you can see. You can even close the positions here if you like to actually get out of the trade. So this will actually end in what, 42 days. 42 days. If it actually rise, we'll make profit and get out of the market with something. So you can actually take this opportunity. All right, use it to your advantage. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I love you all. Stay blessed. So in the piece of vision, this is what you will see. It's the same thing, but you need to understand how to actually use it. Stay blessed.